So for the next 20 minutes, we'll be doing a practice of deep relaxation. It's the kind of practice that really needs to be done when you can be assured of undisturbed peace for this period of time. It can be done sitting up, but it is most effectively practiced lying down. So settling yourself into a comfortable position, allow your eyes to close and feel that the physical body is now resting in such a way that there will be no further need for any movement for the rest of the practice. Settle the body into this comfortable position by allowing the exhaling breath to flow down the body easily and comfortably. With each exhalation, feel that the body becomes stiller, quieter, and more comfortable. Every out breath, settling the body more completely into a state of stillness. As the physical body comes into a state of stillness and quietness, allow for the mind to begin to follow the example of the physical body. Know now that the body will be taking deep and healing rest. Allow for the body now to take deep, healing rest. And as the body enters its state of deep and healing rest, let the mental attention travel around the physical body as if the light of the mind's attention were coming to shine briefly on each part of the body in turn. The body is still, but the mind is active, alert, travelling about the physical body. Bring the focus of mental attention first to the right-hand side and become aware in turn of the right hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Palm of the right hand, back of the right hand, right wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, buttock, top of the right thigh, back of the right thigh, top of the right knee, back of the right knee, right shin, calf, ankle, heel, sole, top of the right foot. Be aware of the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Be aware of the whole of the right foot. And now draw the focus of attention over to the left-hand side and become aware in turn of the left-hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the left hand, back of the left hand, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, buttock, top of the left thigh, back of the left thigh, top of the left knee, back of the left knee, left shin, calf, ankle, heel, sole, top of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, whole of the left foot. And now draw the focus of mental attention all the way up the body and become aware of the head, the right arm, left leg, left leg. Take the focus of mental attention to the very base of the spine, the small of the back, middle part of the back, upper part of the back. Be aware of the right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the point between the two shoulder blades, the back of the neck, the back of the head, the back of the top of the head. Be aware now of the very top of the head and the forehead, right temple, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, right eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek. Be aware now of the nose, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, and the upper lip, lower lip, teeth, tongue, jaw, chin, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, central portion of the chest. Be aware of the upper part of the belly and the navel and the lower part of the belly. Be aware of the right groin, left groin, and the pubic bone. So be aware now of the whole body. Feel the whole body. Be aware of the whole of the physical body. Feel it resting on the floor. Feel the whole body resting on the floor. And now, as the body rests, become aware of a sensation of great heaviness. Feel that the body has become extremely heavy, so heavy that it might almost make an indentation in the floor beneath. Feel that the body has become very, very heavy indeed, and experience this sensation of heaviness throughout the physical body now. Leave off this sensation of heaviness and now experience that the body has become very light. Feel that the body has become almost weightless, that the body is so light it could even be wafted away from the floor by a breeze. Feel that the body is light as a feather and experience this sense of lightness throughout the whole of the physical body now. And now leave off that sensation of lightness and recall a time when the body felt very cold. Remember a time when the body felt really chilly. Recreate that experience of cold and actually feel the sensation of chilliness now throughout the physical body so intently that the body might even begin to shiver a little as it feels cold fingers, cold toes. Actually experience that sensation of cold throughout the physical body now. And now leave off this sensation of cold and remember a time when the body felt very warm. Recall this sensation of heat and then recreate this warmth throughout the physical body now. Actually feel warmth in the face and the hands, warmth on the belly and the soles of the feet. Actually experience the sensation of warmth so intently that the body might even begin to sweat a little. Experiencing this sensation of heat throughout the whole of the physical body now. And then leave off this sensation of heat and return the focus of attention to the breath. Be aware of the breath coming in through the nose and the breath going out through the nose. And feel a flowing ease as the inhalation and the exhalation flow up the body and down at a pace that is comfortable, flowing, and gently drawing the attention up the body on the inhalation and down the body on the exhalation. Let this breath awareness develop such that it begins to feel as if the whole body is breathing, and that the breath begins down on the skin of the soles of the feet, and the inhalation creeps up the whole body to the very top of the head, and then the exhalation flows back down the body from the top of the head all the way down to the skin on the soles of the feet. It's as if the in-breath flows up the body, flooding every cell with vitality and energy, and as if the out-breath flows down the body like a warm waterfall, easing each cell of the body into a resting, healing state. So be aware of the flow of the breath, allowing for every inhalation to bring strength, energy, vitality all the way up the body from the feet to the head, and allow every exhalation to flow with ease and softness down the body from the head to the feet. Be aware of this rhythm of the flow of the breath until it almost feels as if the breath is gently rocking the body. Breath in and up, breath out and down, an easeful, continuous rhythm. Inhaling energy, strength, vitality, exhaling into ease, softness, and quiet. And now sense that this easy rhythm of the breath is almost as if the breath itself were rocking and caring for your own physical body, as if it were a little baby, safe, rocking, peaceful and quiet in its mother's arms. And feel that the breath itself is nurturing and nourishing yourself. Be aware of the nourishing, nurturing capacity of the breath. And allow for this breath now to become a little louder and a little louder until you hear quite clearly the sound of the breath in the nostrils. And this sound of the breath in the nostrils brings the awareness back to the beginning of the practice. Recollect the affirmation that the body has now taken deep and healing rest. Know that through this practice the body has been taking very deep and profoundly healing rest. Know that this period has allowed for the body to enter its healing, restful state, and that the body and the mind are now fully refreshed and energized. With this awareness of the energized and refreshed body, allow for the breath to become even a little louder in the nostrils. Use the sound of this breath in the nostrils as your bridge back to a more everyday state of awareness. Hearing the sound of your own breath, feel the body now wide awake, feel the mind wide awake. keeping the eyes closed for just a short minute longer. Be aware that the body and mind are wide awake, and gently now begin to reintroduce the body to movement. Feel your own toes and your fingers wriggling. Touch the tip of each finger in turn with your thumb. Stretch out through the hands. Wriggle the toes and stretch out through the feet. Extend the stretch now into your arms and your legs. And lengthen through the body to enjoy a stretch in whichever way you feel comfortable. And when you've completed the length of this stretch, gently roll over to the side. Move easefully and quietly with yourself. Come up into a sitting position. And when you feel absolutely ready, allow your eyes to open. This is the end of this practice of deep relaxation.